Good morning, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and because I doubled up on some of my Junk Journal January prompts, I'm making a mishmash of little clips here for you for the days where I don't have a Junk Journal January video up. But anyway, do you remember I got this set from Temu of these little nature-themed paper pack, and I was quite disappointed with it? Well, I found a remnant of the original that I had before that was a 12 by 12 that I got on Amazon. And this is the same one in a smaller version. But do you see the color difference? That's why I was so disappointed. This is the exact same print. It's like they maybe took this and scanned it into a computer and it came out looking like this. And also I have this piece here. It's got that on the back. I don't know, but it's supposed to be this one. You see the difference? This is so gray and dull. That's the thing. These papers are dull compared to the original, and that makes me wonder, you know, what did they... I'm going to see if I can find any more remnants, but I think I have some of these. Alright, I found some other examples here. This is the bunny paper. Do you see the difference in the color? This is like a gray background. This is like a cream colored background. And there's blue here. They've really changed it. I'll look and see if I have any other of the papers there. So here in the background you can see the blue squirrels. See the difference in the color? It's just grayer and duller. And then here you can see another example of what the rabbits should look like. Here you can see what this little deer is supposed to look like. This is supposed to all be green in the background and it's black here. It's just a bad copy. And once again another example of this deer paper, what color it should be. I hope it's picking up on camera because it's really such a huge difference, and I think that I will advise you, do not buy this pack on Temu because it's not worth it. I don't know what I did with all my other papers, but I probably used some in journals that I gave away as gifts. I wish I could find more examples of like the cut-aparts. I know I had them somewhere, but I can't find them now. This is supposed to be a beautiful shade of pink and blue. Yes, it's just, I don't know. I'm very disappointed in this paper pack. And unfortunately, I don't remember what it was called. Forest Friends. It was called Forest Friends. So do not buy the Forest Friends paper pack on Temu. Alright, so I did find a few more of the cut-aparts from the cut-aparts page. You see the difference? This one is right here, and that's how it should look. It's supposed to be a beautiful forest green. And it's definitely not. You know, this part is all forest green, and it's kind of like a black on here. Here's the owl. You can see the difference. Oh, sorry. Now you can see the difference. And then we have the squirrel. Should look like this, and this is what it looks like. And then we have one more, and that's it right there. This one is supposed to be this one. But do you see how beautiful that pink color is? That's what this color is supposed to look like. That's this. See the difference in the pink? I don't know if you can tell. But oh well, what you gonna do? You live and you learn. But then the other packs I got were absolutely gorgeous. This pack is called, it doesn't have a name, 87. This pack was gorgeous. And then the winter packs were gorgeous too. And I don't have the name for these, but these are beautiful. So it's all chance, I guess, of, I don't know. But anyway, that's all I got for you today. I hope you're having a great day. It's a beautiful sunny day here. We had Bethany over yesterday all day, and she was able to video chat with her niece and her nephew and her sister. And then she video chatted with her sister in Japan, and she talked on the phone with her other nephew and brother and sister-in-law. So it was a good day, even though she didn't get to see them in person. We have like a little studio apartment in the back of our house, and that's where our two sons live when one's not at college, and the other one lives there all year. And so she got to see them for a few minutes. But anyway, I hope you're well, happy, healthy, safe, strong, joyful, cheerful, dry, and warm. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to keep watching for Junk Journal Januaries. We've got a few more. Bye-bye.